Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you like watching unboxing videos, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. I do many different subscription services. I have makeup, I have lifestyle, and I do fashion unboxings. So definitely click on the little subscribe button and click on the little bell. It would mean the world to me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, I have a brand new box to my channel, and this is called a selfie box. Self/Y box. So I'm assuming it's pronounced selfie box. I was watching a fellow YouTuber last month. Well, I think maybe she's been doing it 2 months now, if I'm not wrong. And her name is Jean Louise. Most of you guys probably know who Jean is. For those of you who don't know her though, definitely I will leave her link down below. Go check out her channel. She has a fabulous unboxing channel also. But anyway, I was watching her channel and she got this box and I'm like, that's pretty interesting. I think I like this one. Now, this one is a $25 monthly beauty box, and what they have is premium beauty, skincare, and other goodies. That's how they described it. And they're known for their natural, cruelty-free, vegan products. And everything should be valued at least $100 per box. Now, like I said, it's $25 a month. You can cancel it anytime you want. If you do 3 months, it'll only be $72, so you can save money that way. They also have a way where you can skip a month if you should need to, like Ipsy does that. And that's pretty much it. Now, I reached out to them. I did not see a referral code for them. I have not heard back from them, but when I do, I will leave all the information down in the description box. Just click on the show more button, and if I'm able to get a credit, I will put it there. Definitely take advantage of that if you're interested in it. Okay, so let's go ahead. This is the June box, and we're going to go ahead and get directly into it and see what we got. Okay, now I've already taken the tape off to save some time. Here's the way it looks when you open it. It has all the little squigglies, and it has a card. And it has a list of everything that's in this box. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open it, go through each product, and I'm going to show you. And I will put it on the shelf behind me as I open it. Now they have everything very nicely packaged. Okay, now what they're saying about their June 2020 box. June is in bloom, inspired by the beautiful roses, lilies, and orchids we're seeing on our daily walks. We put together an equally varied and beautiful summer care package just for you. June's box, as always, is full of luxurious, clean products to help you blossom and inspire your self-love, self-care, and self-empowerment. So that's their theme this month: self-love, self-care, and self-empowerment. Okay, so here's what I was talking about, how they have everything very nicely packaged. They have it in nice bubble wrap. So let's open this up. This is some essential face mist, and this is from the company Cela, and this is essential face mist. And what it says, this is valued at $23. Well, it's sealed up really good, so I'll just put it behind me as I read about it. It says this anti-aging and calming mist, yes, uses super powered snow algae, vitamin E, blueberry, elderberry, evening primrose, juniper berry, rosemary, and lavender to calm, hydrate, and refresh your skin. Cruelty-free, paraben, and sulfate-free. So that's how they're known for all their natural products. And you can hear by the list of everything I just said in there, juniper berry, rosemary, lavender, all very natural products. But I want to see if I can open this. Hold on, guys. Okay, I was able to take this off My squirter is not working. Aww. But this is such a beautiful bottle. I wanted to show you this bottle. Look at this. Hopefully my husband can get that to work for me. It smells lovely. If not, I got other squirt bottles. As long as the product is nice. Oh, here it comes. Well, it started to come and then it stopped. Well, anyway, that's it. That's the Cela Essential Face Mist, and that is $26. Okay, and then we have something else very nicely wrapped also. And this is a Girlactik, and they're saying this is a matte bronzer, and this is $26. And it says warm up your complexion with this natural looking tan bronzer that delivers instant warmth, perfect for bronzing or sculpting. This matte bronzer is silky smooth. Ooh, what a beautiful package. And blends seamlessly, vegan and cruelty free. And it says, catch the review from YouTuber Tati. Oh, okay. Yeah, Tati. I will definitely go check her channel out. I really like watching her. Do you guys know who they're talking about? T-A-T-I? I watch her channel. She has a very good channel. But here is the bronzer. And let me open it and show it to you. Oh, this is beautiful. That is a very beautiful shade. And this is called Cabo. That's the shade right there. Oh, that's nice. Yes, indeed. I like that a lot. That is a beautiful color. Okay, so I am happy so far, guys. Okay, we have something else, and we have RealHer, and this is RealHer I Am Beautiful Mascara, and this retails for $18. And this says it's an Italian made in the blackest of blacks with vitamin E and peptides to nourish and grow your lashes. This mascara provides a lash extending and volumizing effect. Inspired by the birth of a daughter, RealHer was started to inspire women to be independent, successful, fulfilled, and this is cruelty and paraben free. Now I will open this up and we will see what the wand looks like. Oh, it's a pretty big wand. Oh, well, some Italian made mascara. All right, so that sounds promising, and I am needing some new mascara right now. So we will put that right there. And we have two more products out. And this is called Lip Revival. And what this is this is Beauty for Real Orange Spice Lip Revival, retail value $14. And what this says is, it says yum, an essential part of any beautiful beauty ritual. It says cleanse, exfoliate, and condition lips with raw sugar and essential oils. The best part is you can lick away any excess. Organic, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free. So, this is the way it looks. Looks like just a white lip scrub. I don't really smell too much. They say orange spice, but I really can't smell it. But anyway, it says exfoliating, hydrating lip scrub. So very good. Okay, we got one more product. And this is from Reneu. And this is Reneu Scalp Therapy, and this retails for $26. And it says, this gentle exfoliator removes product buildup and reduces scalp irritation for all hair types using natural plant extracts like lavender stem and bay laurel leaf. Certified PETA, cruelty-free, green circle, 100% wind power. I never heard of that one. Vegan and gluten-free. So there is a whole lot of freeness in this one. Nima. Huh. Let me see. Oh, it's sealed. I'm gonna go ahead and open this and see if it has a smell. You know, with hairsprays and all this stuff, I always need some stuff to strip all that junk away. There's a big buildup sometimes. That's the way it looks. It looks like just a white lotion. Not much of a smell at all. So, yeah, so this was the June's box. I think it was definitely well worth the money. They have everything on here. I didn't add this up. Wait, I have an ink pen. Let me add this up. The bronzer was $26. The scalp therapy was $26. Face mist was $23. The mascara $18. And the lip scrub $14. So that is... So that comes to a grand total of $107, and the box costs $25. And also, before you do that, click on the show more button, and if I'm able to get a discount, I will leave that down there below. I will leave that in the description box also. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this new selfie box. I have to say, I am impressed. I think it's a very nice box, and I like all the products, and I like that it's all natural. So yeah, so I'm pretty happy with everything. And I just rubbed something on my nose, some hair stuff. Okay, if you guys are liking these videos, please click the like and subscribe button down below. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.